Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Alcatraz. I'm playing some more F.E.A.R. Staring at this wall, evil wall. Alright, let's get going. Didn't stand a chance. I'm too powerful for them. Alright, let's get up these stairs, man. The ladder, I should say. Trying to find my light. There it is. Let's go. Oh, look, some armor, ammo, health pack. What's this?
The data's uploading now.
Okay, uploading data.
Interesting. I found a wastewater analysis summary addressed to an ARMA review committee. According to the abstract, there's some major contamination coming from upstream.
Oh,
Can't
contamination.
imagine why ARMA would be interested unless they're responsible.
Oh, man. They're responsible. They're the bad guys. Second headshot. They're shooting back. Oh my god! You crazy son of a bitch. They really wanted me dead. Too bad I had my bulletproof vest on. Alright. Armor. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Whew. You know, man, I'm tired of dark hallways. Really dark hallways. And what kind of flashlight just recharges itself like instantly when you turn it off? Watch, 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 watch. Recharged. Fucking crazy, man. So what kind of freaking flashlight like gotta works like underwater? Let go. Chilled down my spine for a second there, man. It's okay, I'm a big brave dog. I'm a big brave dog. I'm a big brave dog. See, it's getting darker. Don't like the darkness. It's really dark. Oh, oh god. Not creepy at all. Just not creepy. Oh my god, where am I? Oh god. Jesus. Do I want to go? Oh my. Oh, the hallucinations are setting in. I'm slowly losing my mind. No.
Yes, any word on Jake County?
No, but I found something impossible to ID.
Result lab work. It can't be him. His life signs are a little unusual, but he's definitely alive. He's got to be around there somewhere.
I'll keep looking.
That was not what I hoped for. Ooh, shadow.
Nothing to report.
In the trouble. Leave me in the bullets, man. Sorry about that, but you're dead now. What was that? Is it gonna replay? Replay, 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 replay. I guess not. spooky looking water over there, man.
She's afraid of you.
She's afraid of me. Anybody got an idea of what that's supposed to mean? I know I'm a big red dog. Okay, it's just a bottle. No need to be alarmed. It's just a bottle falling. No need to run away like a sissy.
Flashlight! Oh
Bombs going off everywhere. I'm getting shot from every single direction. Why am I not losing health? I've been shot 70 trillion times. Okay. Let's go this way.
Flashlight!
Before they decide to land bullets. See, I'm not losing any health. I think this is whack. I'm Jesus! Hold on, let me check something. Let me see. God? Is that you? God on. Okay. God? Oh. God? Space? Question marks? God mode off. So apparently when God mode is off, I am God. But when God mode is off, I'm a normal human being. Okay, now I'm that was a close one, man. Almost died like 4 times there. Shotgun OP. Let's see this thing. Screw you, Lee Bruce. Shit, Chuck Norris is in the house. Let's see. Oh yeah. Full health. 5 health packs left. It is looking good.
explosion that leveled a dockside warehouse this evening was most likely the result of an industrial accident. No injuries have been reported, but emergency workers are still on the scene.
Fuck you, radio. Oh, but thanks for the news. By the way, that explosion was me. They don't know that, but I know that. I did something. Something happened. Something happened somewhere in this fucking planet. Ooh, I filled the thing with water. That just so happened to be a valve over there that would fill up this room. I don't know how that would be useful in an hour. Found his armor over here. Double. Ah, jumping puzzles. We meet again. Done. No, you don't. You thought you can run? Yum. Meow. 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 What is shooting me? This corner, huh? What is this, Call of Duty? Nice. Wherever that is. Get two-pieced. Wow! He just went poof! He's everywhere! Oh! Oh! Shotgun. New favorite gun. What? Shotgun literally disintegrated this guy. He's everywhere now. Wonder how he can explain that one to his family. Well, poor old Jeff. He was defending his country from terrorists. And poof! He was shot to nothingness. All that was left of him was his blood. It was everywhere. Oh. I'm going the opposite direction now.
Take cover!
Like a man. A man with grenades. Another grenade. Oh. Is it dead? It's still alive. I think that scary sound is I'm dead. Alright, we will leave it off there after fighting like super bossly boss of bosses. Jesus. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to stay tuned in for future episodes. Later.